Welcome to the introduction for OKMOVEME, the one-stop website for planning and moving to your new home and then settling in and staying comfortable thereafter. First, create a free account. Use your Google or Facebook account or a valid email account to sign up. Remember, we never sell or give out your email address. Once you connect with an OKMOVEME service partner, you're in charge of which information to share under their terms of use and privacy policies, as well as your communication preferences. Once you log in, your personal dashboard appears with your email, name, move stage, and move date. Select one of 4 move stages: Making a Plan, Move Me, Just Moved In, or Everyday Living from the drop-down menu to get started. You can also upload an image or avatar. Enter your move date. Click Submit, and you see the OKMOVEME Marketplace. Along the left-hand side of the screen are square tiles for each of the 4 stages of your move. Clicking a tile opens up a list of resources immediately to the right of the tile. Scroll up and down for all of the resources. Selecting a resource populates the Resources section, providing direct links to curated service providers approved by OKMOVEME's editorial staff. Click the heart icon next to a link to make it a favorite and stay organized. You'll notice a checklist for each of the 4 moving sections. We've pre-populated the checklist for your convenience. Check next to the item to cross it out to mark it complete. You can also add your own tasks. And click See All to see the entire list. To exit, click the arrow on the top right. So that's everything for now. OKMOVEME works to save time, money, and stress. Be sure to subscribe to our blog to keep current and receive offers and deals for moving-related goods and services.